In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Salesforce with Zapier. We'll start right on the Zapier homepage. Once you're signed in, look for the Create button near the top of the screen. Click that, then choose Zaps to open a new automation in the editor. This is where you'll define what kicks things off and what should happen afterward. At the top of the editor, you'll see the Trigger area. Go ahead and open that panel. The trigger is the event that starts your Zap, so getting this part right ensures your automation runs exactly when you expect. In the App Search field, type Salesforce, then select Salesforce from the results to tell Zapier which app should listen for changes. Next, open the Event menu and choose New Case Attachment. This event fires whenever a new file is attached to a case in Salesforce, which is perfect if you want to route attachments to a folder, notify a team, or create a follow-up workflow. Choosing the right trigger here keeps your downstream steps consistent and reliable. Now click Sign In to connect your Salesforce account to Zapier. A small window will appear asking which Salesforce environment you want to use. Click the arrow to open the environment choices. If you're connecting to your live org, choose Production. If you want to test safely first, choose Sandbox. In this walkthrough, we'll select Sandbox so we can verify the connection and behavior without touching live data. After selecting the environment, confirm by clicking Yes. Continue to Salesforce so Zapier can begin the secure authorization process. You'll land on the Salesforce login page for the environment you chose. Click into the username field and enter your Salesforce credentials for that environment. Then click into the password field and enter your password. When those are filled in, click Login to Sandbox to proceed. Depending on your organization's security, you might be asked to complete multi-factor authentication or sign in through single sign-on. If you see those prompts, complete them as you normally would. When Salesforce asks whether to allow Zapier access, approve the connection so Zapier can read the data needed for your trigger. After you authorize, Zapier will return you to the editor and show your connected Salesforce account. That's your confirmation that the integration is active. At this stage, your trigger is configured to watch for new attachments on cases. If you want to validate the connection, you can use Zapier's built-in test feature to pull in a recent sample. If no sample appears, add a test attachment to a case in your sandbox and try again. This helps ensure real data will flow when your automation runs. A quick note on choosing environments. It's a best practice to start with Sandbox to verify field access, object permissions, and trigger results. When everything looks good, you can add a new Salesforce connection in Zapier that points to production and switch your Zap to use it. Also, make sure the Salesforce user you connect has API access and permission to view cases and attachments. If your org uses files instead of classic attachments, confirm that the event you picked aligns with how your data is stored, since this trigger specifically watches case attachments. With the connection complete, you're ready to build on top of this trigger. You can continue by adding actions that save attachments to cloud storage, notify your support channel, or create tasks for follow-up. Give your Zap a clear name so it's easy to find later, and test before you turn it on to confirm the flow behaves as expected. That's it. You've connected Salesforce to Zapier, selected the new case attachment trigger, authorized your account safely, and confirmed the integration. From here, you can expand your automation to match your team's workflow and keep everything moving the moment a new attachment lands on a case.